Welcome to our YouTube channel. Day 4, the day you've been waiting for, wine in Georgia. Yeah, guys, the day we were waiting for has finally come. As I mentioned earlier, Georgia is the birthplace of wine. Yes, the oldest winemaking tradition in the world, dating back over 8,000 years. So today, it's going to be all about wine tasting, exploring the Bodbe Monastery, and soaking in the beauty of Sighnaghi, the city of love. We started a bit late today since all the places are nearby and can be covered in just a few hours. Wine tasting, KTW Winery. There are many great wine tasting spots in Georgia, but KTW is one of the most popular and tourist-friendly options. It's based in Kakheti, Georgia's famous wine region. We reached KTW and oh, what an experience. Most wineries here give you a free tour explaining how wine is made. If you're visiting in September or October, you can actually witness the harvest season and the wine production process. But since we went in May, we saw the storage tanks where the wine is aged.
Our first wine. This is a white wine, not Italian. This is a white wine.
Here you can see guide explaining the different types, red, white, semi-sweet, dry, and also which grapes are used. And yes, tasting time, so many flavors. Pro tip, if you're buying wine to fly back, ask the staff which bottles are airline approved and make sure you have check-in baggage. We made the mistake of carrying it in hand baggage and the airport security just tossed it in the dustbin. Also, wine is super cheap here. You'll find it even in small corner stores across Georgia. Stop 2, cheese and ham. We stopped at a local shop. It was crowded, which is always a good sign. We tasted 2 types of cheese. One was mildly salty. The second one, it was super salty. So here's the interesting part. The very salty cheese is called Tbilisi cheese. And yes, it's traditionally fermented in a sheep or lambskin sack. This process gives it a strong flavor and makes it last longer. We also grabbed some freshly baked Georgian bread, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. So good. We skipped the ham, pig meat, and instead grabbed a quick Fanta. Our driver also suggested we try Georgian matsoni, a thick sour yogurt. It's like a mix of yogurt and butter. Very healthy, not sweet, but definitely worth a try. Stop 3, Bodbe Monastery, Tomb of St Nino. This is Bodbe Monastery, one of the holiest places in Georgia. It's built on the burial site of Saint Nino, the woman who brought Christianity to Georgia in the 4th century. Please check my day 3 video story about this lady. You'll see a grapevine cross here. Saint Nino made it herself using vine branches and her own hair. This symbol has now become the holy cross of the Georgian Orthodox Church. The whole place is peaceful and beautiful, surrounded by greenery and overlooking the Alazani Valley. Stop 4, Sighnaghi, the City of Love. From there, we headed to Sighnaghi, known as the City of Love. Why? Because couples come here to get married, elope, or renew their vows. And there's even a 24/7 wedding house. The town has cobblestone streets, charming houses with colorful balconies, and a super romantic vibe. It's also surrounded by ancient city walls and offers epic views of the valley and mountains. Perfect for some dreamy sunset photos. So day 5, time to head back. Our flight was at 10:30 a.m. from Kutaisi, and since we were staying in Tbilisi, we started very early. It's a 3.5 to 4 hour drive, but we made it on time. Georgia gave us amazing memories. Wine, mountains, cheese, love, and so much culture. Goodbye, Georgia. Until next time. Trip extension. Tip: if you've got an extra day or 2, I highly recommend adding Borjomi, famous for its natural mineral water and forest parks, Batumi, the beach city with modern vibes, nightlife, and the Black Sea coast. Ideal plan, day 5, Tbilisi to Borjomi, finish sightseeing and stay at Kutaisi. Day 6, from Kutaisi to Batumi, finish sightseeing. Head back to Kutaisi day 7, fly out from Kutaisi. Hope this video helped you plan your perfect Georgia trip. If you liked the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides from me.